What's that noise, Darn David?
Darn David, what are you watching?
A baby show.
I don't like it at all.
Let's go to sleep.
What was that?
I don't know. Darn David, can you give me some blankets from the attic? I am so cold.
Okay.
I am off to the bathroom. What was that? Was it a ghost that closed the door?
I remember the blankets were in the box with... the box with stars! I don't think I can get the blankets for now.
What is that?
A monster.
Help me.
Ah.
Stop making noise, or you will wake up our neighbors. Why are you screaming?
We heard strange noises and found scary things.
I found a monster in the attic.
I noticed a ghost closing the door.
And I found a monster by the window.
Ha 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 ha. You were scared of your imagination.
What do you mean?
None of the things you think are real. Now let's start with the monster in the attic.
Okay.
Let me turn on the light. See? It's just a bathrobe.
Ha ha. It was really our imagination.
What about the ghost closing the door of the bathroom?
It's not a ghost that closed the door, it was the wind.
Then what about the monster by the window? Is that real?
You will see for yourself. Oh. It's just a tree branch.
So the monster isn't real.
Yep. There are no such things as monsters.
Aha.
I got the blankets that you wanted from the attic. Are you all ready to sleep?
Yes, but before we sleep, what were those blue lights passing by?
It was probably a car. Anyway, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
If you enjoyed this brand new video, watch more of our videos as the weeks pass. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye!